Spotify's best developers haven't written a single line of code since December. But their CEO says this is a good thing. And it's not just Spotify. Microsoft's AI chief predicts that in 18 months, most white-collar jobs will be fully automated. Let me show you what's really happening. On February 11th, during Spotify's earnings call, CEO Gustav Soderstrom dropped this bombshell. When I speak to my most senior engineers, the best developers we have, they say they haven't written a single line of code since December. They only generate code and supervise it. This isn't a small experiment. Spotify is all in on what they call vibe coding. Their top engineers no longer write code. They prompt AI to generate it, then review and approve. Soderstrom says Spotify is hell-bent on leading this change. Because companies that don't adapt will get left behind. The result? Spotify expects to produce massively more software with the same team. But Spotify is just the beginning. Mustafa Suleyman, CEO of Microsoft AI, made an even bolder claim. He predicts that within 12 to 18 months, most white-collar work will be fully automated. What jobs are we talking about? Lawyers reviewing contracts and doing legal research. Accountants preparing reports and audits. Project managers tracking schedules and allocating resources. Marketing professionals writing copy and analyzing campaigns. Basically, any job where you sit at a computer processing information. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. But here's what the CEOs aren't talking about. While executives celebrate efficiency gains, workers are experiencing something different: AI fatigue. Siddhant Khare, a software engineer, wrote a viral essay about this. He says AI hasn't made his job easier. It's made it harder. Instead of writing code, he spends his days reviewing endless streams of AI-generated code. Approving pull requests. Fixing mistakes. He describes it as being a judge at an assembly line that never ends. And here's the paradox: when AI makes you more productive, your boss expects more output. You're doing more work, not less. The skills required are changing too. It's no longer about writing code. It's about reviewing code. Prompting AI. Supervising machines. So what does this mean for you? You have 3 options. Option 1, denial. This is just hype. AI won't replace real jobs. This is the most dangerous response. Companies like Spotify and Microsoft are already making the shift. Option 2, panic. I'm going to lose my job. Anxiety without action is useless. Option 3, adapt. Learn to work with AI, not against it. Here's the key insight: AI won't replace you. But someone who knows how to use AI will. So start learning now. Use ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Cursor. Get comfortable prompting AI. Practice reviewing AI output. Develop judgment skills. Focus on what AI can't do: complex decision-making, strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, and human connection. The future workplace has 2 types of people: those who make AI work for them, and those who get replaced by AI. 18 months might be aggressive. But the trend is clear. Spotify's engineers already stopped writing code. Microsoft predicts most white-collar work will be automated soon. The question isn't if this will happen. It's whether you'll be ready. Leave a comment and tell me, has AI started changing your industry yet? What are you doing to prepare? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.